Hi ma'am sir, I am April Huco Bacani from Philippines and I am 36 years old. I am married. I have 3 children ages 15, 12 and then 4. I'm studying HRM undergraduate. My height is 157 centimeter and then 69 kilo. Before I applied in Dubai year 2017 to 2019, I served 6 people, 2 elder and then 4 children. My duties are cleaning, ironing, washing dress, cooking, and taking care of the babies. And then finish contract. And then I apply in Hong Kong year 2021. I served 6 people, 2 elder, 2 couple, and then 2 children. My duties are cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, and then taking care of the children also. They terminate me because they don't communicate each other with the elder because they don't know how to speak in English. And then I apply again in Dubai year 2021 to 2023. I serve 7 people, 2 elder and then 5 younger children. My duties are cleaning, ironing, and then taking care of the animals. I want to work again in Hong Kong because I want to earn for my family needs and then to save for my children's future. Before I end this introduction, I have a song for you, titled "The Wheels on the Bus." The wheels on the bus go round and around, round and around, round and around. The wheels on the bus go round and around, all through the town. To my future employer, please hire me because I am loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking woman. I promise I do my best to do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you. I hope we will be working with you there in Hong Kong very soon. Thank you.